Hello. When working with heavy load of graphics, audios, films, videos, or content for social media, it can require a lot from your computer and your system. Especially if you have an older computer that is not so powerful. I'm referring to the CPU, the processor, the GPU, the graphic card, or the old mechanical hard drive, etc. Anyway, you can help your system or OS, in our case, Windows 10, through various tweaks to get better and a little bit faster. With that said, before we start working with audio, graphics, videos, films, or other system-intensive work on the computer, we start by optimizing the operating system in Windows 10. In our short videos, will be about how to optimize Windows 10 and do some system tweaks. Hopefully the system will work faster, better and smoother. The purpose of optimizing the system is to work with a video editing program, DaVinci Resolve 17. It is a program for cutting, editing and color grade video content for social media or film in post-productions. If you like content like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us. Hit the like button and press the bell button so you don't miss future video releases on this YouTube channel. See you soon, fellow digital surfers.